Note, the following video was recorded some time ago, and the product is no longer available from Evergreen Miner. I have been catching up on my backlog of video content to edit, and I'm just releasing this video now, months later. How's it going? Motor City Miner here, coming at you from my basement mini miner farm, because we have a new delivery of, well, it's not really that many yet with how many hard drives are here, but that is right, we are back to CHIA mining. I have my original Evergreen miner, which I've done some videos on and some repairs, but I do have the new Voscoin Tails Edition Pro Kit Plus, I think. It's the middle one. It comes with like 10 hard drives or something like that. You know, limited edition run that Evergreen's doing it in partnership with Voscoin. Different color scheme, supposedly some NFT things on the CHIA network. We're going to start unpacking this and see what's in here. I don't really know how this all gets packed, but so far it seems like it's packed really well, so that's really nice. All right, so I guess I should mention, and I'm gonna guess that's what this is. This seems like a really long cable. So if you get anything that is the 10 hard drive package or higher now, I think they have a 20 hard drive package. They now have a, like, I'll call it a larger PSU that can power tons of drives at once, whereas traditionally they just had the 5 splitter. So I'm gonna guess that's what this long cable is, but we'll find out here in a moment once we start getting things out. So it looks like we have, you know, some of our hard drives here. We'll get those unpacked. Another hard drive, it's looking like, and that nice Voscoin Tails orange. Another orange hard drive. I mean, they packed it real well, so that's really nice to see. Definitely tons of packing. I'm gonna guess this is the hub. Yes, there it is, Voscoin Tails Edition. I really love the logo, it's super cute. I mean, Shiba Inus, again, they're not for everyone, but they are the cutest, most loyal dogs on the planet. Anyone looking for a Spitz breed would know that. Spitz breeds have a lot of similar temperaments between all the different breeds that fall in that umbrella. But, you know, little Shiba Inus are so cute. All right, but we're gonna open this up in a little bit. We're gonna see what else is in here. So this one, yeah, all right, so this cable goes to this giant unit. So I'm gonna guess this is that new PSU. So let's try and get this out of here, or unwrapped at least, for you guys. Oh man, I don't know if I can do this one-handed. This is very difficult. All right, we're working on it. We're working on it. Oh man, lots of cables, lots of cables. Don't even know what they're all for, but there's lots of them. All right, we're getting there. We're getting there. All righty, so what do we have? All right, so looks like we have a lot of splitters. So looks like there's quite a few splitters that go on here. It looks like, oh, I don't even know. And then actually, is this a data cable? Oh, this is. Yeah, these are the SD hard drive data cables. So interesting there. I wonder how that works. Because I thought these had to connect to the hub. So maybe there's another connection point to the hub. Not sure. Oh, here it is. Here's a USB. And well, that's nice. So essentially you can just looks like you just need one USB then. Cool. All right, so yeah, definitely a very different hard drive than what not hard drive, PSU than before. So let's we'll take this out and take a deeper dive in a moment. You guys can see my whole basement. What else is in here? I'm gonna guess these are more hard drives. So I'm gonna take these out of the box and open these up, and then we'll be right back. All right, so finally got everything unpacked. So this is what you'll get if you get the Voscoin Tails Edition Pro Kit. I did look up, you can confirm what one was what. So there is just the Plus Kit, which is just with 4 hard drives. There's the Pro Kit, which has 10 hard drives. I'm guessing one's in this box with the hub, and comes with the larger PSU that can power all of them. And then there's the Pro Kit Plus, which plus 10, which comes with 20 hard drives, so essentially 10 more. So those are the 3 options. Link down below if you are looking to purchase. But yeah, this is what you'll get if you get the 10 hard drive one, which is the Pro Kit. Again, PSU and 10 hard drives and the hub. It does look like there's a couple things in here, so we're going to open up the PSU. It just pops right off there, so it does look like we got our Ethernet, some more packing material. See if we can get that out real easy. Yep, some packing material. Looks like the USB hub. Yep, let's turn this around for you guys. So that's the USB hub. I'm not sure what all these buttons do. You can probably turn each hard drive on and off individually, I would guess. Looks like a large PSU down below, so that's nice to see. And how it goes out and powers everything. Again, comes with the green Ethernet cable, and it looks like this is your power cord. So the power cord looks like it goes, it's hard to tell, sorry. But yeah, it looks like it goes into the PSU there. It's all wired up and comes out this back slot over here. So pretty clever wire management, I would say. So that's the PSU. And it looks like it supports 10 hard drives in there. So that's what we got going on there. Maybe, and then this is just your, yep, again, this is just the cable that actually connects to the hub. And then, so we'll put that lid back on for a moment. And I guess I'll break this seal here, and then we'll see what's inside the main box. All right, got the seal off, so let's see what's in this box. All right, so there's their QR for setup. Box looks pretty similar to the original. It looks like, you know, maybe the cushioning's gotten a little more robust, which is nice to see. So this on top is the hub, and I know that just because of what's on the back. We got the Ethernet and 4 USB, and there's the power. And then, yes, there is the last hard drive is in the box, so there's all 10. Got 2 stacks of 5 ready to go. Looks like that's all that's in the box. Yep, just some more cushioning. It does come with the Voscoin Tails Edition NFT, so you'll get one of these, and you can use the app to farm with these and everything. So cool there. We'll get into that a little later though. This is just an unboxing video, so plan to have a setup video afterward. But yeah, there you go. That's everything that comes in there. Got, you know, 10 hard drives, the hub, Ethernet cable, giant PSU for powering everything, and your Voscoin Tails Edition NFT. So super awesome there. Excited to get this up and running. That'll be in the upcoming video, so hopefully get to that in the next couple days. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. If there's anything specific you'd like to know about this, or you know, if you're looking to purchase or anything like that, definitely use someone's code. Hopefully in the near future I'll start getting codes for all kinds of different websites. But you know, again, my YouTube channel is really geared more towards just showing my experience and, you know, information and knowledge. Not really the whole monetary side of it or anything like that. Maybe we'll get into that a little more in the future, but again, my focus really is on the actual crypto mining itself, and that's where a lot of my time and effort goes. So don't necessarily always have all the time to, you know, do all those fun promotions and everything like that, but hopefully we'll get a little more into that in the future here. But yeah, really excited to get this up and running. Thanks again, Evergreen Miner, for sending this. I did buy it, but excited to get this up and running. That's all I got today on the Evergreen Voskcoin Tails Edition miner. We'll be back with another video here shortly to go over setup, and really excited to get this up and running. But that's all I got for today. Until next time.